Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to prevent automatic hard reset or automatic factory reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. There is one dangerous settings in your phone that is called automatic lock, automatic hard reset or automatic factory reset. What it means? Automatic factory reset means automatically your phone will go to hard reset or factory reset without informing you. Then what will you do? Everything we will lose. Okay, so what is this is looks like dangerous. Okay, what will happen actually? You have locked your phone. Okay, you have locked your phone, and suppose someone takes your phone and try to unlock your phone. They don't know your pattern or pin or password. They will just try to attempt to unlock. Okay, if they put if they put wrong pattern, if they put wrong pattern more than 20 times, okay, more than 20 times, then your phone will go to automatically hard reset. Okay, so here too many incorrect unlock attempts, try again in 26 seconds. Okay, too many means this is below 20 attempts. Okay, if it is going like this 20 times, then what will happen? Because someone else definitely will try to unlock like this. Okay, if they steal your phone or if they trying to unlock your phone intentionally. Okay, so for that case, you should not be your phone should not have that automatic hard reset option. Okay, you should have enable, if you should have disabled that. Okay, then only you will be free from that dangerous attack. Okay, that is a dangerous hard reset. Okay, so how to avoid that? First, make sure that you have turned off that setting. Okay, we will learn that. Okay, first go to settings, then go to lock screen and AOD and click on secure lock settings and confirm with your pattern. Here you will find one option, auto factory reset. If it is turned on, it is dangerous to you. Okay, after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. Okay, this looks like dangerous, isn't it? Just turn off this button. Okay, so that now even after 20 incorrect attempts, your phone will not go to auto factory reset or hard reset. Okay, so your phone will be safe even if it is misused. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. Always make sure that this button is turned off. That's all friends.